Hey y'all. Alright, so today I'm gonna cook some fire chicken. And also I'll leave a link in the description below about one of my favorite seasonings. It's near and dear to my heart. So stay tuned. Let's cook some fire chicken. Alright, chicken thighs marinated in tahini and fire. That's right. Got them on the grill. Hang on a second. Alright, couple minutes. That's right. Chicken thighs, flip them over, flip them over. That's right. Yeah. Uh-huh. Woo! Hang on. This is gonna be good. Alright, next. They've been on the grill for a little bit. Let's put them in here. Yeah, one of these things. Come on. Hurry up. Yes. Get them in there. Alright. Alright. Little bit of chicken stock, not a whole lot. Come on with it, because it's already got juice in there. Alright. Hello. Hang on. Now we got mild enchilada sauce. Yep. And we got some hot enchilada sauce. That's right. We're going to cover that up. Hang on a second. Alright. Now we're going to cover that up. See that? Uh-huh. Gonna cover that up, wrap it up, put it back on the fire, and let it sit there for about an hour. Hang it tight. And that is on there, and we're gonna hang out for about, I don't know, let's see. A few minutes later, right? Yep. Swip it around. Yep. All right. After about an hour or two. Look, there we go, and that's it. It's done. Hello. Woo. Look. Oh my God. Ah, come on. Woo, falling apart. That's what I'm talking about.